Hello everyone, in this video Faisal How Gadget will share how to change DPI on Oppo A17, A17K and other Oppo listed in the title. Okay, just go to the tutorial, don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next you open about device, yaps. Okay, next open version. Next, in build number, you click 7 times swiftly like this. You are now in developer mode. Okay, next you back again. Okay, next you open system settings. Okay, next you scroll. Yups, now you can see developer options menu. Okay, next we open. Yups, next you search DPI settings. Yups, this is smallest width or DPI, you click. Yups, this is your default DPI. Next, I change to 500. Okay, next click save. Now, successfully changed DPI. The display on my cell phone has become smaller and one screen can now show more menus. You have to be careful when change the DPI because if you change DPI is too high can cause your cell phone to black screen or reset. To restore the DPI settings, you click again. Next, you change to default DPI. Click save. Now DPI on your phone has been default. Okay, next I will disable developer options. Yups, click this. Okay, next we back. Now developer option on your cell phone has been disabled. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.